Okay, I wasn't supposed to shop the sale. It is so late right now. It is 2 in the morning. I'm still in my Disney sweater. I am redoing my whole entire room. I have a mess everywhere, but I got new furniture. I am revamping. I need inspiration. And I guess I got inspiration today at the Sephora sale. So it started today for Rouge, and then VIBs will be starting. I'll put all the information down below. I'm going to link what you need and what you don't need. So I'm going to influence and also de-influence because let's be real. No more lipsticks. No more nudes. We do not need any more. Also, palettes. We have 2 eyes, okay? I picked up some stuff. I honestly only did it because I had some merchandise credit and then I spent a little bit more, okay? I'm going to use my husband as an excuse. So, De Janeiro. He loves the lotion. It's the only lotion, I swear, that keeps his skin really nice and soft. He uses it at nighttime, not during the day, because he notices he has like a slight shimmer, which I never knew it had. I'm okay with a Nivea, but this one really helps him because whatever's going to not keep him ashy, I'm going to help supply that, okay? But this set was only $68, and you get the mist, you get the Bum Bum Cream, which is what he uses, the moisturizing shower cream gel, as well as a body scrub and the oil. It's a Bum Bum body oil. So I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4, and he's going to use that. So I told him try out like the body wash and stuff like that, but he just wants the lotion because usually when I get it for him it's like $50 or 45, whatever, and I always buy it during the sale. But for 65 and the sale, I couldn't pass this up, so I'll link this down below. This was a very good deal, and this was one of the last ones. There's only one left once I picked the other one. I love One Size. I love Patrick Star. So this is my favorite powder. I'm currently wearing it, and it's been so many hours. I've been wearing this makeup for so long. I can't even believe I even look like this. I should look like really greasy and falling apart. This powder I've hit pan. I have not hit pan on a high-end powder in forever. It's only been the L'Oreal, and that's it. Or the Maybelline Superstay. Those two are my favorite. I repurchased those so many times, but this, for high-end, is it for me. I am medium 4G. That's what I'm currently wearing right now. I got 4G, and it was the last one. Not medium dark, just medium 4G. And then I do get much lighter during wintertime, fall and wintertime, which this is the darkest I'll probably be unless I self-tan. And I got medium 3. I'm not sure about this one. I'm gonna see. It has rosy tones, but it was like the next one that I saw that looked like it could be me when I'm light. So then the last one I got is Fat Ass. Now I love his blushes. Now, I love both Patricks. Let me show you. So, my whole thing, this is girl math, if you guys have heard of that. One Size comes with 3 powders, okay? Well, not 3 powders. A cream, a powder, and like a luminous type of setting, like a topper or whatever blush, okay? Now, when you get Patrick Ta's, which I love his products to death, it comes with 2. A cream and a powder. There's just something about adding that third where I'm like, you won me over. So I got the color Fat Ass, and I love the peachy one. This one's in the color Freaky Peach. Love that one. And I like how there's a cover for it. So then I got Fat Ass because that's what I'm trying to get. I've been doing lots of hip thrusts. Right here. Look at that. Ooh, I love it. It's like a kind of like a soft pink. Then I have an issue with Rare Beauty blushes. I never know which one I have. I'm like, am I happy? Am I brave? Whatever the hell those shades are. I'm making a joke, but it's like all the names. I'm like, okay, Joy. I'm like, I think I have Joy. Then I'm like, wait, is it Hope? And then like the shades that I'm looking, I'm like, damn, that one really looks like one I use all the time. So I took a chance and I got Worth. I don't think I've ever grabbed it. I'm like, oh, I love Worth. So I got it and I don't have it. And I'm so happy. So this is the shade that I got. It's more like a, I don't know, but it's nice. That's the shade I got. But let me show you because it looks so similar to the other ones I have. This was the one that I was confused on. You see? See what I'm saying? This one. This is Virtue, but I knew I got Virtue because this is a newer shade. And this is the one I could never get. So let me blend it out. And this one is more on the pinky side. I literally walked into the house, checked my blush drawer right away, and I was like, okay, I don't have it. Huda Beauty. Shout out to Marilyn, who works at Sephora at Downtown Disney. I went to Disney, did a little last minute spooky season day. It was just so nice because we got to see fireworks and all that. So she found me the last Huda Beauty pink powder. And this is in Cherry Blossom. I've been dying to get this powder, but it's always sold out. Every single time. She said, this is all I use. She says it's surprisingly not that pink, but she says, I think you're going to love it because I love it. So I said, you know what? I'm already going to love it. I love it. And I love it because she found it for me. And it was in the little goodie aisle, you know, right before you check out. And there's like all the stuff you really don't need. But then you always end up grabbing like one little thing. I shouldn't. Why am I contemplating this? I want to grab it. And then you're like, it's like a whole, you're talking to yourself a lot, okay? So I got it. And that's where she found it. So it wasn't in the Huda section. Little tip if you want to try to find it. I'm loving this blush shade. I'm going to de-influence you right now. First thing you don't need. Let me grab it. Because you don't need it. You really don't. I honestly use this because I want to use it because I feel dumb buying this. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Get the e.l.f. one. They have so many shades. Do not get this. You do not need this. Nude lipsticks. You have enough. All of them are probably expired by now. There is no way we have all used all of our lipsticks. Like, let me know down below, because I'm not trying to speak for everybody, but I feel like this is very common. Palettes. Lots of us are doing much more natural looks now. I love a good glam day, but you can only buy so many. Specialty collections, I get. Like Beauty and the Beast. Oh my gosh, that palette is freaking beautiful and divine. I'm actually wearing it today. It is so nice. Like, if I was a collector or a fan of Disney, I would get it. That one is like almost like a need. But all the other palettes, make it make sense because we have too many, okay? There's so many drugstore mascaras that are so equivalent to the high-end ones. Unless you really have that one and you really want to splurge, go ahead. Stock up on foundations, your concealers that you use, expensive brow products that you like to splurge on. This is the time for the discount holiday bundle so you can try out a bunch of different things from brands. Skincare. Invest in skincare. Murad Dark Spot Corrector. Murad Vitamin C. I love Drunk Elephant's Baby Facial. It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. Kiehl's eye cream I've been using is really good. Any of your little lip masks that you want to splurge on, go ahead. Get the Laneige if you want to. You don't need it. There's one from Fourth Ray for like $5.99 that I think is just as good, if not better. Charlotte Tilbury setting spray is actually worth it. Okay, I'll say it. It's worth it. If you're going to get an eyeshadow palette, Patrick Ta. They are silky, divine, and blend like a dream. If you want to just go ahead and you're like, I'm not listening to you. I'm buying a palette and I'm going to figure out what I want. Patrick Ta. I have Dimension number 2. I almost bought Dimension number 1 and 3 like a crazy ass tonight. Did I? I almost did. I put them back. I just couldn't do it. I saw my basket and I just thought, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Favorite eyeliners, go ahead. If you want an amazing one, Profusion, $3.99 Walmart, waterproof, great tip. Laura Mercier Lash Curler is actually worth it. It gets all your fake lashes every single time because it opens up super wide. Skincare though. Skincare is going to be your best friend because it's expensive. But remember, if you want your makeup to lay nice, you have to have a good skincare routine. I don't care what anybody says. It's not about the makeup. It's about your skin and also application. I will say brushes I like to splurge on because I do see a big difference in brushes. Like, I never really like drugstore brushes or brushes that are in collections, unless it's Sigma because they specialize in brushes. Sephora collection is going to be 30% off for everybody. I think it's worth it. Also, you can try their Best Skin Ever concealer. I really like that one as well. I have 2 different shades that I go in between. I have 24N and 22.5N. So this is the one where I want a brighter under eye. What else don't you need? e.l.f. just came out with some lip oils. They were amazing. You don't need the Dior lip oil. That thing is crazy expensive. I do like their Plump Maximizer lip gloss. That one's nice. Sephora collection. This is my favorite. Their waterproof eye makeup remover. I've gone through so many bottles of these and I buy this even not on sale. It's going to be on sale. 30% off. Why didn't I buy one tonight? I forgot. Anything Supergoop. Moisturizer. Glow screen. Beautiful. Skincare. Plus light to the skin. How can you be upset? Yes, e.l.f. does have one, but I love Supergoop. It's a really good product. This is what I recommend. Their Unseen Sunscreen, SPF 40. It's a primer and skincare protection. Get this one. Get glow from somewhere else. Like the e.l.f. Halo Glow. There you go, because you're not going to buy the Charlotte Tilbury. You want to stock up in a little... Okay, that's not what I was going... You want to stock up on a little bougie Touchland? Get this. Love this one. Glow Recipe. Hyaluronic acid. Dewdrops. The toner. Can someone tell me, because this might be the one perfume I buy, which perfume is this? I got this in my advent calendar last year, and I've been using it for a couple weeks now. Look how little I used, but it's been lasting. It is so good. It's from Burberry, but what is it? I haven't looked it up because I forgot to look for this. Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick. So easy. I'm almost out. Look at that little nub. That's all I have of Always Sunny, and they ran out. That was the one color that was out, and I was pretty surprised because this is very warm, and I like warm products. The one that I am currently using to give more of a chisel is Good Energy. Right here. It's one of their darker shades. Let's not be selfish. Okay. Let's purchase for other people. Holiday sets. They had some really nice... I like the perfume ones because then someone can try out different perfumes and then turn it in for a certificate, so it's kind of like an experience and you go in. It's exciting. They also have a cologne one for men. Those were the main things that I wanted to say and wanted to show you. Sorry if I'm kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to film and show you my haul, which was, yeah, I didn't get too many things though. And that's where I'm going to stop. If anything, I'm going to get my bronzer if it's online. I heard the app got hacked or something like that, and you're supposed to change your password. So let me just pass on that information. It's been crazy, I guess, day one of the sale. One other thing, the one size setting spray, that was out. Let me know down below what you plan on getting. I'm going to leave a list down below as well of the things that you should get. If you're going to buy a lip. Oh my gosh. These are so freaking good. I'm currently wearing one. And it's in the shade Shag. Now I'm going to go. You don't need any lip products. That's so good. All right. Love you. Bye.